Good morning. Today I'm making some callaloo for my breakfast and I thought I'd just share what I do with you. It's not a recipe, it's just what I do. I know most of you know to make this, but this is how I make it. Something I want to point out, do not, when you, well, I'm using frozen callaloo. I buy, when I see them, I buy them and I freeze them and freeze it. Cut them up, wash it, cut it up, and freeze it. So if you freeze it, when you take it out of the fridge to cook it, do not thaw it out. Just put it in the pot. Just take it out and put it in the pot. You thaw it out, they're gonna be wimpy and limp and so on. But when it's frozen, it will look just like you just cut them up. Another thing, don't cover the pot too much. Cover it, but let air get in, because if you cover it, it will get dark, and all that green looking look will be gone. So those are the 2 pointers. But it's gonna be quick, and it's my breakfast, and so come with me and see what I do.
Here I have in this container cut up, onion, tomatoes, scallion, and I'm gonna, this is part of what I'm gonna do and put together with the callaloo. In this pot here, there is the codfish boiling. If you have time, you could soak it overnight or soak it for a few hours. For people, I know most Jamaicans know how to do this. They could do it with their eyes closed, like myself. But there's many people sometimes who don't cook much and don't know exactly. Most of the younger people I find these days do not want to cook. Anyway, for those who want to cook, and some people who's married to Jamaican or is with a Jamaican who might want to cook for them, this is for you.
Broken it up in pieces. I like big pieces. I want to find it in the food and I'm eating it and I want to take it, bite into a big piece. So you take out all the bones though. Pick up all the bones so you don't get bones down your throat. And so I'm gonna put it in the pot now. Pot is on the fire. I put some coconut oil in the pot. Put it on the fire and I'm gonna cook. It's make a lot of noise and I don't want to make too much noise because I've been doing that. So anyway, I'm gonna just put everything together and show you what I do. One other thing, when I put the callaloo in there, I don't cover the pot too much because I want to keep it green. If you cover up the pot and that steam kind of change the color of the callaloo. If you've done this before, I'm sure you know this. So I'm gonna put the tomatoes in here and the scallion, onion, and everything else. And then I'm gonna put I'm putting in the codfish, salted codfish, same thing. As it's all salted. Well, this is salted codfish. They have raw codfish, but this is salted codfish. So I'm going to put every drop in here and that's going to cook. And when it's finished, when this is cooked, I'm going to add the callaloo. Something that a lot of people use, they put sweet pepper. I am not a lover of sweet pepper, so I'm not putting it in my dish today, but most people do this. Cut up some sweet pepper and add it to the sweet mixture. So actually, now I am going to add the callaloo because I'm ready to put the callaloo in. And it will stop all that noise. Some of it is still frozen, but that will soon change. So the callaloo is in. And I'm going to stir it in the pot, get everything together. So everything get mixed in. The codfish from the bottom, the tomatoes, and everything get mixed in. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm going to maybe put a little bit of water, but I'm not putting any water yet because I don't need to yet because the callaloo is wet. It's damp. And it will stay there and steam. And I'll come back to you when I'm adding a little butter to the pot. Make everything taste so much better. Butter makes it better, Butter makes it better.
Yeah, and black pepper.
So if your
I
pot
didn't
cover
mention
doesn't have
before,
a
make
hole
sure you
in
add
it,
black pepper. Just shift the cover sideways. See? Just put the cover sideways, not totally covered, so air can get in. So you know, everything will stay green. If you totally cover it up, all that steam is gonna turn the callaloo very brown. Nothing is wrong with it, but you know, the green and the pink and the red, when it's brown, it doesn't look as attractive. My callaloo is cooked. All right, and I'm ready to share. I'm just gonna put some in this dish. And I'm gonna have that. The thing is, I didn't even need to put any water in here because I just turned the stove down low and it's steamed. And I'm gonna have this today with 2 slices of bread. See? Gonna have it with 2 slices of bread and some tomatoes. You could use avocado. And some people also, when they make the callaloo, they also, you could cook food. Some people call it ground provision. You could make dumplings, you know, fried dumplings. I'll do that another day with the frying of the dumplings. So I'll put a recipe either below this or put a link in this video.